So what we see, this is when you're talking about tradition and culture, what you see or mean is full tradition. But anything that is not good, that doesn't meet this time, should be taken out. I don't join cultism. I don't join secret society. Yeah, they said if you don't want to become king, you know what they are doing there. Yes, I came there to change it for the better. I didn't come there to join what is not good. Àbàṣàjẹ́ ní tí ọba dá mbẹ́ àwọn ò ní ṣe. Ní tí ọba bófin mu, we will not be part of that. Ìta dẹ̀ ń sọ fún Yorùbá nìyẹn pé ní tí ọba ti bófin mu, I am a constituted authority because the governor is the one that appoints kings. And anything that I see that is not in the ambit of the law will not be part of it. Secret societies among kings, among chiefs, is the one that promotes cultism among the children. That is the root of cultism. So I said, no, I will not be part of that. Any culture that is infringing on human rights, like maybe there is a culture that says nobody should go out, then I will tell you to go and do that culture for the police or in the barracks of the army. Why is it that it's only